When you sliced into your wedding cake, divorce was the furthest thing from your mind. At that moment, you and your spouse envisioned a lifetime together. But sometimes, fairy tales don't come true, and now you're facing a divorce. Where do you start? I'm K.C. Smith, and in this Planning Priorities video, I'll guide you through some preliminary steps to financially navigate a divorce. First things first, should you hire an attorney? There's no mandate to hire an attorney for a divorce. If you're young, married for a short time, childless, and with limited assets, you might manage without one. However, many opt for legal representation to safeguard their interests, even if it is costly. Divorce attorneys typically charge hourly rates and require you to submit retainers or lump sums up front. The charges will depend on the complexity of the case, the reputation and experience of the divorce attorney, and your geographic location. If you're a homemaker or earn less than your spouse, you can still get legal representation. Approach the court, and a judge might order your spouse to cover your attorney's fees. If you and your spouse can agree on most issues, you may save time and money by filing an uncontested divorce. If you can't agree on significant issues, consider a divorce mediator who can help you find common ground. Mediators could be attorneys, clergy members, psychologists, counselors, or financial professionals. Next, let's take a look at some important do's and don'ts. Don't make large purchases or create additional debt that might later cause financial hardship. Don't quit your job. Don't move out of the house before consulting your attorney. Don't transfer or give away assets that are owned jointly. Don't sign a blank financial statement or any other document without reviewing it with your attorney. Do prepare a budget, taking into account the loss of your former spouse's income, as well as any new expenses that you once shared that you will now be responsible for paying on your own. Do seek financial advice to help you assess your post-divorce financial health, as well as strategize and adjust your financial plans. Do review monthly bank and financial statements and make copies for your attorney. Do review all tax returns that have been filed jointly or separately by your spouse. Do make sure all taxes have been paid to date. Do review the contents of any safe deposit boxes. Going through a divorce can be an emotionally trying time. Although your divorce professional will help you work through the big issues, you might want to think about the following financial considerations before meeting with them. If you have children, what are your wishes regarding custody, visitation, and child support? Whose health insurance plan should cover your children? Do you earn enough money to adequately support yourself, or will you need alimony? Which assets do you really want, and which are you willing to let your spouse keep? How do you feel about the family home? Do you feel strongly about living there? Should it be sold or allotted to your spouse? Will you have enough money to pay the outstanding debt on whatever assets you keep? Divorce can be a lengthy process that may strain your finances and leave you feeling out of control. While your financial landscape is shifting, with the right strategies and support, you can navigate this new phase with clarity and confidence. As always, the experts at Henssler Financial are here to help. I'm K.C. Smith with Henssler Financial. Thank you for watching.